Using blogs as sources in articles. Depending on what type of blog that you have, it might be a good idea to advertise your blog using articles. For example, say you know about jewelry and gemstones, and your blog is a place where you post information for people to read about jewelry. Submitting an article to a website such as Associated Content can be very instrumental in bringing people to your blog. A good example would be is if you wanted to talk about the common misconceptions about the colors of gemstones. You could write about the fact that people assume that gemstones such as emeralds, sapphires, and rubies are one different color, but the truth is that those stones come in a variety of colors and hues. Then you can use your blog as a source for your information, as long as you have blogged about those gemstones. The great thing is that some places, like Associated Content, will pay you for the articles that you write. So if you sell jewelry on your blog, it's like being paid twice for your knowledge. Of course, this is just an example of the way you can use articles to advertise your blog. When you are writing an article, be creative. You don't have to be an expert at what you do. If you enjoy writing stories, you can say that posting stories on blogs is a new and different way to share your stories with others. Then, post your blog link as your source, and you have people checking out your blog and your stories.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.